Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram profile link. This video is very useful for you who wants to copy your Instagram profile link. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's open Instagram app. After opening Instagram app, just tap your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After tapping your profile picture, then just go to edit profile. You can see your username there and then just tap this. Copy your username. After copying your username, just go to browser. You can open any browser like Safari, Chrome, Opera, Mozilla or another. I will open Safari. And then just tap here https://instagram.com and you have to give slash and paste your username here. And then just tap go. Yeah, this is your Instagram profile page. And then just copy the link. This is your Instagram profile link. And then you can use this link to open your profile picture anywhere. For example, I want to open a new tab. I will paste the link and I will tap go. Yeah, this is my Instagram profile link. I hope this video is very useful for you and helping you in copying Instagram profile link. If you like this video, you can just click thumbs up. Don't forget to watch my other videos in my channel, Fauhow channel. Subscribe this channel by tapping subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red button. And don't forget to turn on notification by tapping the bell icon so that you'll be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media tutorial. Thank you.